Welcome back, you beautiful, beautiful viewers. And unfortunately, we've got Subaru today.
Oh, shut up.
Woo! Just a few little bits to do today. Got a Mishimoto air intake. Short ram, because Paul's AFR's already clapped on his Subaru. Your AFR's dropped to what, below 10? 10. Well, it bottomed out at 10. So when we went to Charlie at Surrey Rolling Roads, it literally, the AFR's on his dyno power run went up. As soon as the boost came in, it went, didn't it? Proper bad.
Push the limits. Nice car.
Proper bad. So this is going to make it worse, but with this intake, because his AFRs are so bad already, just got a short ram, MAF, filter. It's literally just that, and it literally just goes, just replacing that bit and that bit with an open filter. So you might get a bit more noise than that, but we are literally fitting it, going for a run, seeing if we get any more intake noise or anything, and then it's coming back off until he's got it booked in for MAP, because he doesn't fancy blowing his motor.
Because the way that the stock MAF air sensor works with the MAP is it doesn't actually calculate how much air is coming in, because the air intake pressure is actually done on the original MAP. So even though we're increasing the amount of air, it won't account for the amount of fuel, and even though it's running rich at the moment, it could cause it to lean out. So you have to get it mapped in regardless. You can't just fit it up and put it on, because you'll get pre-detonation and that will just fuck the ringlands, and we all know Subarus love and fail. Fail is a major point on the ringlands.
Yep. So
we are just going to fit it up for fitting purposes and installation purposes, and then it is coming straight back off until I can get a chance to go and map it. So yeah, let's get it all off.
So it's literally a case of 1 flat, 2 flat, 2 Phillips on MAF, and that's pretty much it.
Oh, fucking hell, it's on there.
Alright.
Oh shit, yeah. My coolant lines, oh that came off easy.
Right, that's that. And then, oh, have you got some bolts under there?
I have some bolts underneath there, yeah.
Wait, are you sure?
Yeah, there's one bolt here. And then there's one bolt right down at the bottom there. Is it?
No?
Right
oh yeah, down there. What are they, 10s?
Yeah, and then they come off. And
okay. So we're going to get them 10s out, pull the airbox out, and then we'll give you an update.
So, 2 clips that come off the back of the turbo intake pipe. Then go to the intake hose. This clip down here is taken off the cam cover, and that little clip bolts to there, so it stops it from rattling about. But yeah,
where's my Allens?
I don't look too bad actually.
The Allens, please.
I'm going to spray that black again.
I sprayed it yellow because I thought it looks fucking
it matches
good.
everything else.
Mate, it looks absolute dog.
And the yellow calipers. But yeah, I'm going to spray that black again. But let's get it on. Well, it's nearly done actually, so.
It's just MAF.
MAF. So, MAF's in, bolts down here to the cam case cover. All these are done up. Yeah. Intake's on. Now let's just blow this engine.
Start up.
That's pretty simple actually.
Alright, go on then. Wow! Wow! Huh? Is it? So much power! We're doing Barry's air intake and all that as well. We got the HSN Pro Valeting old RV.
Oh yeah.
This is because I mean the paintwork and that was all swelled up, scratched up. So we got off doing
State of that, Jesus.
Doing a full detail. What are we doing, Arv? We're doing a fuck off.
Exactly. Yeah, 3-stage. Starting off compounding, cutting the paint. It's actually come out quite nicely.
It's come out pretty nicely, isn't it?
There's quite a few heavy scratches that just won't move, but
where?
Just all over the car.
All over the car, yeah.
But it's not bad.
But as a whole,
how many years old is it?
Well, it's 57, so it's 14.
Yeah.
14 years old.
Not bad.
Oh, fair play.
Classic.
I don't think this car has ever had much love in its life. So, I really enjoy this car. So I'm going to give it as much love as it needs. But yeah. If you're in the... Well, Arvie lives down Brighton. So he's down in Sussex and that. But if you live in the area, you want your car detailed, valeted, hit up HSN. Okay, so we're just gonna go for a quick little drive to see if we get any more noises. See if we get any more noises. She makes a bit more noises.
She makes turbo noises.
She makes turbo noises now. Wow, who would have thought? That just sounds mildly cool, Paul, for a Subaru.
Only because it's quiet, it's not stupidly loud. The exhaust.
Well, hey! Well, hey! It's only little sounds, but...
They make noises. It makes noises. It's quite cool noises.
It is quite cool noises.
Sounds like it's swirling. Like... Oh, petrol, for fuck's sake.
Oh, really?
We're still boosting fine.
Yeah.
10 psi.
I love turbo noises. Love turbo noises. Yeah, only when it's actually in boost, when it's got load. But yeah, so we've had our fun now. Take it back off. Put the sounding one back in. Quality, I love Subarus.
Then put it back on when it's mapping time.
Fucking pieces of shit, man.
Yeah, they do the job. How to fit the Mishimoto air intake, short ram, to a 2008 hatch WRX. Yeah, fit the stock airbox back in because, as we said, the MAF air sensor doesn't read the intake pressure properly, so it can cause pre-detonation and fuck your ring lens.
Putting it on and taking it off.
Pretty much. But it will go back on when we get this tuned.
That's reason number, what, 47 of why Hondas are better.
But yeah, that's done now. Pretty quick and simple, takes 10 minutes. But we'll catch you on the next video. Bye!
Laters.